How to create Hancock Whitney Bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to create Hancock Whitney Bank account online. So let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and go to Hancock Whitney Bank account. Once you are on the home page, look for open an account at the top right corner. Next, you'll need to choose the type of account you want to open. Hancock Whitney offers various types of account like checking, savings and more. For now, I'm going for the freestyle checking. Tap on open an account on it. Now you will be asked to fill out the personal information. This includes your name, address, phone number, email and security number. Make sure to have these details handy. Take your time to enter the correct informations. Once you have filled out all the required fields, click on the next or continue. Now you might need to verify with your identity. This includes answering security questions, providing a copy of ID or other methods. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete this step. Once your identity is verified, you will be asked to review and agree to the term and condition. Make sure to read through these carefully. Tap on done and that's it. You have successfully created Hancock Whitney Bank account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.